Join the crew. Bob and the gang have so much fun. Working together, they get the job done. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Pilchard and Bird, Travis and Spud, playing together like good friends should. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder.
Oh, yippee! We're building a new ride for the children at the fun park today.
A flying ride! That sounds really fast and spinny!
Just like me, I'm spinny. And fast too.
Let's get to the site fast as well. Come on.
Okay! Rubble and Scratch are already on their way.
Come on, Rubble. You're holding up the fastest team around.
Oh, sorry everyone.
It's okay, Rubble. Where's Scratch?
He rushed on ahead, Bob, looking for dinosaur bones.
Scratch is going fast today too. Well, follow us there.
All Bob's machines go fast. Maybe I better go fast as well.
Oh, hi everybody. I'm looking for a dinosaur.
Oh, well, maybe you'll find one today, Scratch. There's lots of digging to be done.
Let's look at the plans. First, we'll clear the site and dig foundations. Then cement in the big central post. Next, we'll lay the floor and put on the side panels. And last of all, we'll add the roof and the carriages.
Can we build it?
Yes, we can.
Oh, yeah, I think so. Hello, Bob the Builder.
Hi, Bob. Tony Toblerone here. I've got some new designs for the carriages. I keep changing my mind, but I think these'll work.
Okay, Tony. I'll send one of my machines to collect them. Bye.
I'll go. I'll be really fast, Bob.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Rubble.
Mr. Toblerone, I've come for the plans.
Here you go, Rubble.
Oh, yes, I'm going fast now. Whoops, the planes!
Ah!
Oh, no! That seagull's taken them.
Oh, wow. That was quick, Rubble.
Really? Oh, but the plans have gone.
Gone?
Yes, I dropped them, and a seagull took them. I'm really sorry.
The seagull was probably looking for food.
Don't worry, Bob. I'll get them back.
It's okay, Rubble. Mr. Toblerone's probably got a copy, and we don't need them right away.
And when the seagull finds out he can't eat them, he might even bring them back himself. Let's just wait.
Wait, but then everyone will think I'm really slow.
Rubble! Can you move this pile of mud? Scoop will load you up.
Okay, Bob. Just watch how fast I get things done. There, all dumped, really fast. The seagull! And the planes! I don't need to wait. I can get them back now. Come here, you cheeky seagull.
I'm going to drop it!
Oops, did I do that?
Rubble, you mustn't rush. That's how accidents happen.
Sorry, Bob. I saw the seagull with the plans.
We'll get them back, Rubble, don't worry. But right now, we need to get this pole in and lay the floor.
everyone. Have you found any more dinosaurs for me to check in my book?
Not yet, Spud, but I'm looking.
Mark, we're ready for the roof panels. Can you collect them?
On my way, Wendy!
Whoa, look at Mark go. He's fast.
Yeah, not like me.
Ah!
The Seagull! I'm going to get those plans back right now. Rubble can get things done fast too, you know.
But Rubble, maybe you should wait, like Bob and Wendy said.
Whoa! Don't worry, Seagull. I'm stuck. Now I'll have to wait for help. Oh, I can't believe it. Now I've stopped chasing you, you've given me back the plans.
Rubble, are you all right?
Yes, Bob. And look, the plans.
Oh dear. Don't think these will be much use.
Oh no, they're all muddy. I'm so sorry.
Well, what happened, Rubble? Why didn't you wait?
I was worried I was too slow to be in your team, so I wanted to get the plans back fast.
You might not be fast, but you are big and strong.
And that's why we love having you in our team. Isn't it, everyone?
Yes!
Really? Oh, thanks.
Come on, Rubble. Let's clean up this mess.
I'll help. Maybe I'll find a dinosaur here. No dinosaur bones. I'm going to look somewhere else.
Maybe you should wait a little longer, Scratch. Sometimes waiting is best.
Thanks, Rubble, but there's nothing here. I'm off. Coming?
Not yet. I'm going to stay here and wait until this is all tidied up. I'm not rushing any more today.
Did Scratch find any dinosaurs?
No, Spud. Oh, what was that?
Rubble, you found something. Bob, quick! It's a pterodactyl, a flying dinosaur.
My goodness. More dinosaur bones?
Rubble found them, Mr. Toblerone.
Well done, Rubble.
Oh, not really. It was me who ruined your plans for the carriages.
But that doesn't matter. I couldn't decide how to decorate this ride, but these bones have given me the perfect answer. Look, children, the Pterodactyl Express. Shall we give it a test ride?
Yay! Yes, please! It was great that you found that flying dinosaur.
I'm sorry, Scratch. I know you wanted to find a dinosaur.
Yes, but I didn't wait, did I? Anyway, I will find my own dinosaur. Maybe tomorrow's going to be my lucky day.